Hey guys, back here at the Flip House, Rehab Your Pad. Just a little quick update. One major thing that takes a rehab property from looking like a rehab property to start looking like a real put together project and makes things start to look like they're really coming together is a good paint job. So here we've painted our upstairs. If you remember, this was all drywall, patched, sanded, really smooth, came out really clean. Light grays are really a popular color, very neutral color when it goes to selling and rehabbing a property. Looks clean. If you've got like a really small house that you want to make look a little bigger, sometimes like a really light yellow color will work really well. I'm trying to think of the color. Can't think of it off the top of my head. Maybe I'll put a little flashy thing on the video once I remember it when I get home. That can help make things look a little bigger, but in general, I see probably 9 out of 10 properties that I rehab, we do a gray color. And it really works well, especially with like flooring like this, nice contrast between the floor, what will be white cabinets, gray walls. We still have a little bit of patching to do. See, I rerouted the electrical there, so we'll have to patch and paint a couple little spots. But for the most part, really starts to look nice. We still have to paint all our trim and redo these floors, but definitely coming together really nicely. Not without some small issues. You can probably still see the patch across the ceiling here. That's with like 3 coats of paint and primer on it. That's 2 coats of primer and 3 coats of paint, and we still got some staining in the ceiling that just isn't coming out. Maybe they were smokers or something. Like, it doesn't smell like smoke in here, but definitely still got some staining again here too. So I've got a bit of a more heavy duty product. I said duty. To help with those ceiling stains. That's some Kill stuff here. You see this is an oil-based, a little stronger stuff. Is this what I think it is? Yeah. So, severe stain blocker. That's what I really was looking at when I ordered or picked up the product. That's stuff that you can get at Home Depot. We're still staging some materials here, but yeah, the gray is really looking great here. Got the ceilings done. And in the bathroom, we've started to lay our tile. My tile guy is a little under the weather right now, so that's why we're not completely finished here. But you can see it's really coming. This is slightly different color than what's in the kitchen. You can see we've grouted our shower. I'm gonna be careful on these tile here. So went with a like slightly different color on the grout than slightly darker color than the tile. I think that really turned out nice. Especially too, got your little metal accent pieces on the edge here. Turned out really sharp. Really loving the way the shower and the bathroom's coming together here. Still got to do a few more pieces. Remember, this was the bedroom that was just patched and patched all over. There was 100 different patch marks in this place, in this bedroom. But now, I mean, I can look at this wall from any angle and it really just looks very uniform, really clean. Remember, we even had a doorway here that led into the other room. Gone. You know, you never would have thought there was a door there at any point. We still have to replace this window. I've got them. I just got to go pick them up. Put a closet door here. Again, bedroom. Everything's nice and painted, looking good. Closets are still white. You see this nice, really straight cut line here. That's some quality craftsmanship, some quality work. With small details really can go a long way. We'll put regular bifold doors there. One other small issue I've got here is something in the attic isn't venting properly, or there's something going on in this corner here where we've got some staining and some condensation coming through. Small problem. I'm sure it's an easy fix. Just the worst part is probably going to have to be crawling in that attic or seeing if we got a blocked up vent or something like that. But other than that, those are like the two big ones. Our hallway, our living room ceiling's needs a little love still, and our that little bedroom's got some condensation in it. Again, this bedroom all painted, looking really sharp, coming together. So yeah, just wanted to give you a quick update. Like I said, I think once you put a good coat of paint on everything, this obviously still needs to be painted, but once you get a good coat of paint on everything, it really starts to look like it's coming together. So we're in pretty good shape here. I'm really liking it. We still got a grout here, but liking it, digging it. So be sure to like, subscribe, give us feedback. In Chicago, JM Contracting, follow our Facebook page, which is facebook.com/JM Contracting Builders. If you want like early reviews or like before YouTube videos go up, I usually post stuff on my Instagram, which is instagram.com/Jody Michael Miller. You'll also see pictures of my dog and my boo and some other things, but I work every day, so there's always something, usually in an Insta-vid or something like that I'm working on. So, hope you're liking what you're seeing. See you next time.